Most people get this wrong when they see a ban message on reward apps. They immediately assume it's a mistake or a glitch. But, in most cases, there is a clear reason behind it. In this video you'll learn why Mistplay accounts get banned in 2026, what triggers it, and what you can realistically do to fix or recover your account without making things worse. And stay until the end because I'll explain the one action that almost guarantees a permanent ban if you repeat it. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay is very strict about fair usage. The platform rewards real gameplay, not manipulation. So if the system detects anything unusual, it can restrict or ban your account automatically. Now here are the most common reasons this happens. One major reason is using multiple accounts. For example, if Alex tries to create 2 accounts on the same device to earn extra rewards, the system can flag this as abuse. Even if it seems harmless, it violates the rules. Another reason is VPN usage. This is where most users get confused. They try to change their region to access better offers, but Mistplay tracks location consistency. If your IP location keeps changing, it can trigger a security flag. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes bans happen not because of cheating, but because of suspicious behavior patterns. That includes very fast progression, repeated installs and uninstalling games, or automated tapping tools. But here's the problem most users face. They don't read the terms and conditions. So when something goes wrong, they don't understand what triggered it. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do if your account is banned. Step 1 is checking the ban type. Some accounts are temporarily restricted, while others are permanently disabled. If it is temporary, you may just need to wait and verify your account activity. Step 2 is contacting support. Be honest and clear. Explain your usage and ask for a review. In some cases, Mistplay support can restore access if it was a false flag. Step 3 is reviewing your behavior. If you used VPNs, multiple devices or automated tools, stop immediately. Repeating these actions makes recovery impossible. In a minute, I'll show you the single mistake that almost always leads to permanent bans, even if everything else looks normal. That mistake is account farming behavior. This means trying to exploit rewards systems in any way that looks artificial. Once the system labels your account as non-genuine, recovery becomes very difficult. So, to summarize clearly, Mistplay bans usually happen due to VPN usage, multiple accounts, or suspicious activity patterns. Some bans can be reviewed, but many are permanent depending on severity. The biggest takeaway is this. Mistplay is not broken when it bans accounts. It is enforcing its system rules strictly. If this helped you understand the situation clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app guides like this.